Okay guys, welcome back to another video. Now these kits are the Bandai Toy Story 4 model kits by Bandai. This is pretty mad. I've got a customer. Ooh, forgot to put that back in the box. Ooh. Hello guys, welcome back to another Tokyo Model Detective unboxing. This is the Toy Story 4 Bandai model kit unboxing video. So I'm very excited to actually do this review. And I will be starting off with Buzz. These were ordered by a customer of mine. And I didn't even know about this. You know, this is pretty cool. Box cover art, it's got something in Japanese and English. Assemble the spring-loaded wings that pop out. Okay, so it's like fully mechanical. You push a button and the Buzz's like plain wings pop out. No glue required, no painting required. Recommended to use is clippers. Expression parts to recreate a wide range of emotions are included. Wow, so it looks like you get like 3 different poses down the face. Side of the box, you have the some little pictures of Buzz and Woody. I hope they're going to make some more of these. It looks really cool, really fun for kids. You know, get the kids involved in the modelling scene. On the other side, it's got some poses, front and back, some little details in there. And it says that you can swap out the faces quite easily, which is pretty cool. I would like to see the quality of these faces. But anyway, let's open the box. And let's have a look at the sprues. Okay, first sprue that you get in here are the 3 expressions. The styrene looks excellent. I mean, on the actual box art there, his cheeks are a bit rosy, so you might want to get some well, you can actually use ladies makeup and stuff like that, or the Tamiya sets or something like that to embellish his cheeks. You've got the canopy for his suit. You've got some purple sprues, which are like the trims and stuff like that. All the parts look really nice, no flash, really great Bandai quality. Box of green parts. Now this is what's so cool about this kit, and that's what I was looking at. The box art was the fact that it looked really glossy. These parts are glossy. It's a bit like some of the Gundams kits. That's the green trim parts and the embellishments. You have parts sprue E. These look like the main frame, the connectors for his arms and legs and shit like that. You've got his legs and arms. These are again in gloss, and I gotta say, man, these do not require paint. You could easily have fun snap fitting these stickers. I totally get it. These are for kids to build, but man, I keep saying this on every video that I do Bandai reviews. Where are the decals? Where are the decals? The water slides for the advanced modeler. I just think putting stickers on this just will look shit. God, man, you want it to look like a model, not a toy. But apart from that, it looks pretty cool. The parts really well done on that. And you have a stand, clear. You've got these parts as well. I'm not sure what that is to look at the instructions. Is it a stand? Maybe. Now it comes with this like metal spring device. You can see that on camera. It's for the wings, and there's another green little pouch. It's another spring. And let's have a recce inside the instructions. I'm quite excited about this, even though I'm not going to build it or anything, but pretty neat. That's the instruction booklet, guys. Oh wow, look, color guidance. It really does look cool though, man. I mean, I'm actually tempted to buy one myself for my daughter. But there you go with the instructions. Very clear, very simple. Nothing too strenuous. Doesn't seem to be a lot of crazy parts. Those are the facial expressions. Even got eyeballs. That's pretty mad. I wonder if you can actually rotate the eyeballs or if they're fixed. I reckon you can, you know. I reckon you can turn the part. Yeah, you can. You can move the eyeballs about. So you can do a cross-eyed Buzz if you want. On the other side, it's got some viewings. Action poses. So it gives you some guidance on how to pose them and stuff like that. It's pretty sick, man. Pretty sick. I really like this kit. You know, it's got a colour guide that's very simple. If you want to paint it, you know. But then it says on the front, like, no paint required. But it says here, for a more lifelike finish, refer to the colour guide. Use the water-based paint is recommended for safety uses. Colour blending is shunned for reference, and actual colour may differ from the image. Okay. But there it is, guys. It's pretty gnarly, you know. Pretty gnarly, dude. Right, let's have a look at Woody. Woody again. Same as the other kit. It's got 3 posables for the expressions, action poses. This seems a little bit more intricate with the actual building of it. On the other side, no glue required, snap fit. Okay, the complete product image has been painted. Wow, okay. So they did actually paint this then, and not use the styrene. But hey ho. Okay, let's start off. This is more of a matted coloured sprue. Yeah, it's not shiny. Kind of a matte colour. This is obviously Buzzy's suit is like made out of metal and stuff. Very easy to panel wash these. I think though when you're gonna build this, you're gonna have a fucking nasty seam line there. So if you are gonna paint it, you are gonna have to do some filling probably, because it is a 2-part. The actual head on Woody's, it looks to be bigger than the Buzz Lightyear one. Comes with different posable hands. You've got Woody's famous cowboy hat. Got some gold parts for his spurs and stuff. Gun holster. And some white parts. Again, you've got that stand, and then you've got these waistcoat, the cowboy waistcoat. How does that work though? Is it not? Oh, okay. So on that sprue there, the black, that just fits onto there to emboss the black. I don't want to bore you guys with the instructions, but you got a color guide, assembly guide. Views, posable views. Yeah, it's pretty dope, man. I'm trying to think what scale this is. It doesn't give a scale. Don't know. There's the instruction booklets. Again, you can move the eyeballs around. It's pretty neat. Very simple. Like I said, you know, a young kid could do this kit, you know, very easily. So if they're going to be releasing more stuff, that's going to be wicked. And like I said, Bandai are really plugging away at Disney and stuff, you know. They've obviously got the Star Wars kits that are out. But that's the end of the review, guys, and thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and for my guys in the TMD group, I promised you this video. So you guys take care. Happy modeling. Peace.